Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. This transfer petition was filed under section 25 of the Code of Criminal Procedure with a prayer to order transfer of HMA case number 221/96 pending before the District Judge Delhi between the parties to the Court of Competent Jurisdiction at Tiwari, Haryana. Stop. The respondent husband has filed the said HMA case number 221/96 under section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, hereinafter called the Act for the Dissolution of the Marriage between the parties. Stop. This petition was filed sometime in February 1996 by the respondent husband. Stop. Notice was ordered in the transfer petition and the respondent has entered appearance through his counsel. Stop. We are not giving the details of the dispute between the parties in view of the subsequent events pending this transfer petition. Stop. When this transfer petition come up for hearing, the parties desired to settle the dispute outside the court and to file a memorandum of agreement in this court. Stop. Accordingly, an agreement signed by the parties has been filed, which is at page 59 of the paper book. Stop. The parties were also present on 15/9/1997 when the matter was headed. Stop. As the parties desired to settle the dispute by filing the memorandum of agreement in this court, it has become necessary to transfer the HMA case number 221/96 pending on the file of the District Judge Delhi to this court and dispose of the same in the light of the agreement filed by the parties. Stop. We have gone through the terms of the agreement. Stop. We have also noticed that one minor daughter by name Arushi Garg, born out of the wedlock, is there and her interest has been protected in terms of the agreement. Stop. After going through the pleadings filed both before the District Judge Delhi and here, we are satisfied that the parties have reached to purpose of persuading them to live together under matrimonial roof. Stop. In clause 2 of the agreement, the parties have stated as follows that party number 1 and 2 jointly pray before this honorable court that their marriage be dissolved, which is dead emotionally and practically between the parties by mutual consent under the directions of this honorable court. Stop. The requirements of section 13B of the Act have been satisfied and there is no impediment in granting the decree for divorce by mutual consent by altering the relief in HMA case number 221/96 as one available under section 13B of the Act, with a view to do complete justice between the parties and avoid unnecessary further litigation. Stop. We are also satisfied that the interest of the minor daughter has been safeguarded. Stop. Though clause 2 of the agreement enables the withdrawal of rupees 1 lakh at the time of the minor daughter attaining majority or at the time of her marriage, whichever is earlier, we make it clear that the marriage cannot daughter reach the statutorily fixed marriageable age stop. Accordingly, there will be a decree for divorce by mutual consent in terms of the agreement entered into between the parties on 11th day of September 1997 stop.